Okay, so I have just finished cutting all these little squares out. So what you're gonna do is you're very carefully, like I said, this works so much better when you've got frozen cake or really cold cake, but just make sure it's cut all the way through. And it should just lift right out. Nice little picture frame. There you go. So then we're going to do that same thing with all of them. See, it's kind of cracking, but that's okay because we're going to put some buttercream on there and it'll be just fine. So let's get that last block out of there and we'll get them all taken apart. I know you're excited. That's okay. Yeah, this works so much better with cold cake. Sorry, guys. It's a little thicker than an inch, too, isn't it? That's okay. At least they're all consistent, so that's the main thing. I think you guys know where we're going with this, don't you? We're going to start mixing and matching, and we'll have all different, kind of like those, oh shoot, this one's just self-destructing here. Ah. Okay, it's all right, we'll fix it. Nobody panic. Just don't move it too much. Okay, there we go. Now, what we need to do is we need to start mixing and matching. So each square will have a piece of each cake. So doesn't matter how you put that together, just like, okay, we'll take this green one here. And try to keep your green and your brown separated. So there's that. Now, so that because I don't want to move it too much because the cake is so soft, I'm going to go ahead and put some buttercream. Should have done that first, but I'm going to go ahead and put some buttercream in there to get it to stick, just so that it doesn't completely self-destruct. But wow, shouldn't have taken these out of the freezer quite so soon. Oh well. All right, now you can do this with ganache. Elise actually does hers with ganache, but we're going to use buttercream today just to kind of glue it in there. Okay. Wow. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put that light brown one in here. Wow! Okay, and we need the bright green square. Pop that in there. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to put this on a tray, if I can get it on the tray here. Oh yeah, got the plastic. I'm going to throw that in the freezer just to get it so it can start to get hard a little bit so we don't totally destroy it. Okay, here we go. Same basic thing. Now you can mix these up, you know, do these as you go, you know, put them all together, see how you like the, you know, the arrangement. But as long as you have, you know, green, brown, you're good. Let's see, which color green do we need now? We need the bright green. Put that one in there. Down in there. Nope, we need the dark brown. Pop it down in there. Look how pretty that looks. I love these colors. I think that looks really neat.